Alright guys, so if you want to catch the next viral meme coin before it explodes, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys the safest place to buy trending meme coins in 2026. Quick disclaimer, this video is only for information and education purpose. Make sure you also do your own research before buying any meme coin and also using any of the platforms. I am not a financial advisor and nothing I share in this video should be considered as a financial advice. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. Alright, so first of all, let's quickly break down what meme coins are. So meme coins are those cryptocurrencies that are inspired by internet culture or internet trend. Whenever something is trending, people go ahead and make a coin within that space. They are driven by communities rather than technology and big projects. So as a result of that, their prices can skyrocket in hours, but they can also crash down very fast. Alright, so before we buy meme coins, it is important to know the risk involved. Meme coins can be scam, can be fake token, or even rug pulls where the creator disappears with the money. So it is highly important for you to do your research and never invest money you are not willing to lose, because this is a game of risk. You either gain or you lose, and that is why you need to invest money you are willing to lose without even thinking about it. Alright, so now that we have known what a meme coin is and how they are basically created, let me show you guys one of the safest places to buy meme coins in 2026. There are basically two main ways. The first way is buying it through a centralized exchange, and the second way is buying it through a decentralized exchange. And I'm going to explain the difference between the two. So a decentralized exchange is an exchange that is controlled by a company and heavily regulated. Meanwhile, a decentralized exchange is the opposite of that. There are no regulations and anybody can literally sign up anywhere in the world and get started with them. So here are some examples of centralized exchange. So exchange like CoinEx, Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, and the rest of them. These are all centralized exchanges, and these exchanges are heavily monitored and regulated. So for you to use them, you need to verify your account with your national identity card, driver's license, or even a passport. Whereas a decentralized exchange can literally allow you to sign up from any part of the world without needing any KYC, and you can start using it instantly. For example, platforms like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and the rest. These exchanges allow you to swap coins directly on their platform. The only downside is that there are more risk of scams because they are not as regulated as centralized exchanges. People can literally scam you and go scot-free, but they cannot do that on a centralized exchange. But if you want something easy, something you can access anytime, anywhere in the world without any restriction, then you can go for decentralized exchanges. But if you want something more safe and regulated, then you should go for centralized exchanges. Now in this video, I'm going to literally focus on centralized exchanges, and the exchange I'm going to be talking about in this video specifically is CoinEx, which is a centralized exchange I have been using for a couple of years, and here are the reasons why I choose them and why I'm using them. The first one is that they list trending meme coins very earlier than most of the exchanges out there. So if you're using the platform, you can catch viral coins very fast, and you will be one of the earliest people to spot a coin before it goes viral. And we all know the earlier you get in, the more money you make. But remember, there is no guarantee involved. It is always a game of risk, but it is easier to make money when you get in early than to come in when it's already out there. The second reason why I choose them is because they have a review system, and this system actually helps to reduce scam and rug pulls. And the third reason why I love them so much is because they also have multiple trading options. So you can do spot trading, AMM, and auto invest plans. And lastly, the platform is so transparent and the community is very active and strong, keeping you updated on new tokens all the time. So whenever a token is out, you literally get first-hand information that will literally help your journey. Now let me go ahead and walk you guys through how to buy a meme coin safely on CoinEx. So all you need to do is to go over to coinex.com to sign up, or you can download the application on Google Play Store or App Store and install it on your mobile phone. Now once you sign up, you need to verify your account. Remember, this is a centralized exchange and you actually need to verify your account before you start using it. This is not a decentralized exchange where you can go ahead and start using it without verification. So after you verify your account, either making use of your international passport, driver's license, or your national identity card, all you need to do after you verify your account, just come over here where it says market, and once you click on market, you can see right here it has market overview. This is where you can keep up with the latest crypto trend. This is where you can capture the market opportunities. You can also discover current trend here in the feed section. insights. You can stay ahead with news and analysis, and you can see here they also have a community where you can stay updated on what is happening in the crypto market. So if you want to buy new meme coins, just come over here and click on market overview. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you right here. Scroll down here and click on new listing, so you can see all the list of new cryptocurrencies that has been listed. Now my advice to you is to make sure you do proper research on any of the meme coin you are trying to buy, so you don't end up losing your money. Now I want you to remember these safety tips I'm going to share right now. Number one, make sure you research the coin thoroughly before you buy. Make sure you research the project, the team, roadmap, and community. Very important. Number two, make sure you verify the token contract address to know if it is actually legit or a scam. And third, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. This is very important because you are playing a game of 50-50. You either win or you lose. It's not something guaranteed, so you have to go into it keeping it in mind that you may lose and you may make profits. And lastly, I cannot emphasize this enough. Make use of secure wallets for long-term holding. You really don't want to keep your coins in an exchange because you don't have control over it. Thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like to the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out anytime we put out another awesome video just like this. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.